Hey, what is going on, folks? This is Ron from Optimizfx. Merry Christmas and also Happy New Year's. Welcome to 2022, and this is the first video for this year. I have been away for a little bit, but I am back and I'm coming back to you with some ideas for the channel. And I'm just going to get right into it because, I don't want to muck around. Righto, so first thing is FX Challenge. The one that you're seeing in front of you is still going, but what I'm going to do is reduce it to like 5 or 6 robots instead of 10. I'm also going to be doing it a bit differently. So I'm going to challenge myself, and we'll see how I can go using robots to obviously make a profit in FX, but they'll be demo accounts. I'll also be showing you more real accounts of mine. I've got a pretty good strategy that is going well. It is using a free robot and it's going quite well. You don't need a whole heap of money to start, but I've been trading it for the last month. However, it is not a set and forget. Just keep that in mind, unless you probably got more equity. I don't think really any robot is set and forget. You do need some skill to manage the robots. You need to know when to get out of bad situations. You need to be able to read the charts and determine which way the currency pair that you're trading is going to go. You need a bit of an idea about that because I believe that there is no set and forget robot, and most of them can get in trouble with the experience that I've had over the past couple of years. And in saying that, this channel is actually 2 years old, so smash that thumbs up icon if you're an OG or if you'd like to see more of this content, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because I've got a pretty fun year coming up. Now for the channel, as I was talking about with the robots, I'm going to be doing 5 or 6 robots, managing them and seeing what I can do to get them profitable. Now I'm also going to be sharing with you guys what I do, so we can all learn what not to do and what to do when it comes to trading robots on the Forex market. The other cool thing that I'm going to be bringing into this channel is I'm going to be introducing cryptocurrency robots and also cryptocurrency games. They are called NFT games, and they're ones that you can actually play and earn money by playing them. You can actually play a game and earn money. So I've been playing around with quite a few of them, and I'm currently playing 2 to 3 right now, and I'll probably share them, all the crypto stuff, in the same channel. With all that out of the way, I can actually show you how all the robots have gone over the past month. So in front of us we have FX Stabilizer. And if you have been following the channel, you would know that FX Stabilizer, we started it at $10,000. We are trading 0.1 lots. We're not doing auto risk, we're doing fixed lots. And what happened is that EURUSD did what it always does and trends really hard. And what happened is that the robot ran out of margin to play with. This is a 1 to 1,000 leverage account, just by the way, and it ran out of margin. So that's saying something really. The robot is good, but if your USD trends heavily like it did, it was in a bad way, ran out of margin, it lost quite a lot of money, like 14,000 down to 5,000. And so what I've done is I've kept it going, and it does still make a bit of money every day. So right now it is up $30. It's about to hit take profit if your USD comes down a little bit more. Righto. So FX Stabilizer, I probably won't keep trading it, and we'll have a look at FX Scalper X. Wow, this one has surprised me. This one has really surprised me, and the reason being, if I can get to, here we go. Reason being is that we turned $1,000 into $3,603, and it does make money every day. We're down 163 right now, which it isn't too bad. However, it was down, I think, a max around about $1,700 in November, and it got out of that. It did, and a few weeks ago it got right out of it. Actually, it was down to about $30 drawdown, and then it got up to about 400, and now it's back to 163. So I'm really impressed. As you can see here, though FX Scalper X hasn't been on 24/7, I have had issues with this laptop. In saying that, FX Scalper X has been trading extremely well, and it has been making money, as we can see here. But it did get in a lot of trouble, and it does get in a bit of drawdown. Had it have not come back with that currency pair, I'm not actually sure if it would have made it. It nearly ran out of margin, and it almost blew the account. But it has come back. I don't think I'll keep trading it anyway, but yeah, pretty happy with how it's gone. Forex Robotron I think it's just pretty much stopped trading. It hasn't done a whole heap since I've changed the settings. It's made a few bucks here and there, so I'll probably stop Robotron and move on to another one. It has made $549. Right, next is Vision Scalper 6. Now, Vision Scalper version 6 is one with the news filter, and I think having the news filter, it is stopping it from taking trades that it probably could make money with. With that being said, it has been in drawdown than Vision 5.5. What do I think about Vision Scalper version 6? I think there is a version 8 out right now, but I haven't traded it yet. So we'll see what happens here. Now this one, I believe I am trading all of this. So we are trading all of these currency pairs. We are only letting it trade 3 at a time, or 3 currency pairs, and these are all the settings. So the trade entry is highly accurate, slow. When it hits 6 add-on orders, we're clearing the currency rather than pausing, because I think you can pause it. You've got a few options there, which I do like about this robot. Now it says here profits negative $603. That is not correct. So it did have other ones. I think it's the righto. It has made $523. This is when I started it on the 18th of the 10th. Oh, okay, so it's made 486. There you go. So this 523 is wrong, but still, it's been really good. Max drawdown has been $240. Do I recommend Vision Scalper version 6? Yes. I think it's a solid robot to have in your portfolio, but I do think 5.5 is better. Now we'll get to that one soon, because we've got PGM Master EA to have a quick look at here. I think it hasn't done a whole heap of trades. So it's made $477 since it has been going. Sizes are massive. That's something that I really don't like about it. So right now we're down 210. It has 3 sells going on right now with GU. If we zoom out, yeah, so GU has gone, it started here, it's gone up, come back, gone up, come back, gone up. It didn't take a sell at the top here, and it is slowly coming back. What might have stuffed this up is I've had the laptop off. It has been over the holidays, as well with the market, so it's been a bit iffy. But the one thing I don't like about it is that it's trading pretty massive lots for such a small account. You probably run out of margin pretty quickly. And we have here calculation. Auto lot. Okay, so it is using auto lot. You can probably use a smaller auto lot. It hasn't been trading for heaps long. It's only been trading for a month, and it's done 477. So it can be okay. It is just trading GU, so I think that's all right. But I think it's a little bit too risky, maybe for GU. But we'll see. Ranger, I think we can stop this one. Basically, it is one that I would definitely put into a portfolio. It has proved itself to be quite a good EA. This is one of the ones you can probably set and forget. It has gotten into trouble a few times for the author and for others, but it's pretty rare. Maybe it will happen 4 to 5 times a year if it does get into trouble. But I think it is one to definitely have in your portfolio. It has made $931, and I know that because this is the only robot that's been on this account. So we can have a look here. It is doing all history, so it's not showing you anything for this year because it is what it's done last year. $238 in the last 3 months. So not, it's not a crazy robot, but if you've got money sitting there, it's good to have a terminal going with this. Now, this is Vision Scalper 5.5. Right now, it is only down $7.42, and its balance is $15.58.80. Now, if I change this, and it's made $558, it does say profits negative $426. It just hasn't updated yet. I think it's better than version 6. It doesn't seem to be in as much drawdown, I don't think. It does say max drawdown 444, so it might be proving me wrong here. But I can also show you the MyFX book things, which is what I'll do at the end of this. And we've got one more to show you. There is one that's not here, which is Goldnix, and it blew the account last week, which I thought it might happen. Now, Euroscalper has just been killing it. So this is one of the robots that I am trading live. I am alternating between, I'm not trading gold with it though, but I am trading just GU. As you can see here, well, this is the profits for all three combined. So it's got EU, GU, and gold. $100 to $200 a day, no worries. But this is started with a $10,000 account. The reason being is that you need the free margin there for this strategy. I am trading the M5 time frame rather than the M1. M1 you do make more, but M5 seems to be a bit more stable, and I think M15 is probably not as good as M5. But you can probably change it to M15 when we get to the more volatile months, just to let you know. But if you want to know the settings, here you go. These are all the settings for GU. Here are all the settings for EU. I think they're the same. I do have averaging different, I think. And here are the settings for gold. Righto. Okay. Right, so that rounds that up. So let's have a look at my FX book. These are all the stats for the robots currently. We can see here that FX Scalper X has been going awesomely. This is Leprechaun. Yeah, that's another one that's not going at the moment. Ranger. Euroscalper has been killing it like it's only been going since September. But FX Scalper X has been going since April the 10th. So these all have been, most of them have been going quite a long time. Let's have a look at the stats here. Righto, FX Stabilizer, we're down 40%, which is correct. We started with 10k, and now we have 6,089. So we're down 4 grand. But we could see how it went. Goldnix, I tried it again. It blew the account again last week. Euroscalper is up 118%. Right, we're up 118%. Started with 10k. We now have a balance of, well, it says 21. The last update was December the 9th. Well, I'm back, and it just will not update. December the 9th was the last update. I tried updating it manually, but it did not. Anyway, you can see here the balance is 24,000, and here it says balance is 21. Max drawdown was 44% though, so that's quite interesting. But look, pretty insane, right? It has been going since September the 3rd, and it is now, well, it's now January the 3rd, and it's done probably 124% profit. So this is one of the robots I'm trading live with, and it's been going really, really well. Really happy with how it has been trading. Okay, Euroscalper, we've had a look at that. FX Scalper X, it is up 183%. Robotron 54%, Vision Scalper 6, 49, Leprechaun blew the account, PGM's up 6%, $65, that's probably not right, and Ranger EA pretty much right, 92%, and Vision Scalper 5.5, 43%. So out of all of these robots, what would I recommend having in your portfolio? If you don't mind managing a robot, probably FX Stabilizer would be good. Right now I don't recommend Goldnicks. You can make a heap of money with Goldnicks, but it is really, really risky, and I would recommend, if you're going to use it, to withdraw maybe daily, maybe even weekly, especially if you're trading it on the 1 minute time frame. Now it blew the account. I think I had maybe $1,000 in there, and I had it on 5 minute time frame, and it blew the account, or maybe it had a bit more. Actually, let's see when the last update with it was. December the 30th, right? So we can actually see here the balance. Yeah, so when it blew, it had almost 1.2k in there, and then just just died. Bingo, 99%, 98. So yeah, it can go well, and then it can just fully smash your account. That's probably why I would recommend maybe not using it. FX Scalper X, you know, if you want to use multi-pairs and you've got an account, if you want to start with $1,000, it can be quite good. You know, it's up 183%. It's gone really well. Robotron, not sure how I feel about it. You know, drawdown's at 50%. Vision Scalper 6, drawdown is only at 13%. And rather, Vision Scalper 5.5, it's at 39%. So there you go. There is probably a reason why you'd use 6 over 5. 5 will make you. It was actually making more than Vision Scalper 6, but 6 has caught up and has actually taken over, which I find that quite interesting. PGM, you know, it says only 3% there. I don't think that's right. Ranger, 21% drawdown, which is about correct. Leprechaun, 95, and that is about it. But if you've got any ideas for what robots you'd like me to trade, just let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the cryptocurrency games, and you know, if you're actually trading cryptocurrency robots, what platforms you're using, maybe what games you're playing right now with crypto. I'd love to hear what everyone is interested in and up to, because I think we're all on the same mission here, and the mission is to become financially free, and I'd like to do it and become successful using a whole multitude of instruments. So what I'm going to be doing this year is not just Forex trading. I'm going to be trading with crypto, Forex. I'm going to be playing NFT games. I'm going to be using NFTs, and that is it for me. That rounds this one up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great New Year's. I hope you all had a fantastic break if you had holidays, and I'll be seeing you soon in the next video. I might do one on crypto. But thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.